And fellow trader, it's Will here at fxace.com. Just a quick video, just to do a quick video analysis of my trade idea I just posted to my TradingView profile on the British pound Kiwi for next week, okay, which is a buy trade setup. Okay, so before we actually get into the video, if you're new to the channel and haven't yet subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. Okay, so you can also head over to TradingView, just type in the FX Ace and you can read what I'm looking for on this trading pair. Okay, so we'll head over to the charts, and last week we had nearly an 800 pip drop, okay, on this pair. We're fast approaching this weekly demand buy zone here. Okay, see price rocketed off from here before. Okay, this is a pretty huge area. Okay, and what I want to do is locate a daily zone inside this area. Okay, because we are going to get a retracement to the upside early next week, which is the norm. What normally happens after a huge drop like this. Okay, we'll get a 200-300 pip rally to the upside. Okay, so what we can see here is right at the start of that weekly level, okay, is this daily zone here. Okay, and this is the zone that I'm actually targeting next week. Okay, I'm looking to buy in. Okay, we'll just delete that weekly zone. Okay, so this is the area here. Starts around 191, I think. Actually 191, 19500. Okay, so I'm expecting likely on Monday we get another drop down into this area, and then the rest of the week a rally back up. Okay, and the target for the rally is pretty simple. An easy target is the last low that was taken out there here, which was the low of the distribution period. Okay, because we had the rally in price. Okay, we had this huge rally in price here from this low here all the way up to here. Okay, then we have the market moving sideways, so just delete that. Market moving sideways here and then down. Okay, so it's likely to come down to test the area that was the last zone in this trend, in the last trend, which is here, and then come back up and test the low of the distribution period, and then we will see what happens. If it breaks up above there, closes up above, or goes back down, we will see. Okay, so we had the rally up, we've had the period sideways movement, distribution period. Last week we broke out of that period. We're heading down towards this demand zone, which was the actual origin of this huge rally up here. Okay, sideways movement, you can see the actual distribution period, the head and shoulders pattern here in the daily charts. Left shoulder here, head, right shoulder. Then we had the breakdown. We'll get a likely Monday, early Tuesday. Monday, I think, it looks like we'll get a drop down here a little bit more, and then we'll get the rally back up towards 195, and we'll see what happens there. So the idea is to buy down towards 191, target 195, and then stop loss will be under the zone, probably around 189. You want it around 189, just getting in a bit tight. Okay, so that's the trade setup. Okay, so buy around 191 or under. Okay, you can use a MACD divergence signal to get in this area. Okay, so that's a trade setup. Just let me see if I can actually write on the screen here. Okay, let me see. So it's buy at 191 or below. Okay, so buy 191 or below. Stop loss on TP. Sorry about the Tron. 195 or above. Okay, so there you go. Pause the video and take that down. Okay, very basic setup. After a huge move like this, we are going to get a retracement next week at some point, likely starting on Monday afternoon or Monday US session. Early Monday we might probably, maybe on the open, we'll get a gap down and then we'll rally up the rest of the week. So really good setup. Yeah, so that's it. If you want to get access to my full list of trade setups for next week, trades, nearly 20 trade ideas just like this, simply click the link in the description area. Okay, thanks for watching. Well over to fxace.com.